Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with Unilorin post Utme past question 13. A bricklayer is paid 1,000 naira 0 kobo for 5 days work. What is his pay for 22 days work? A, it says 22,000 naira 0 kobo. B says 50,000 naira 0 kobo. C says 4,400 naira 0 kobo. And D says 5,000 naira 0 kobo. Now, for he's paid 1,000 naira for 5 days work. Now, it means every day or each day he collects 1,000 naira divided by 5, which is 200 naira 0 kobo. Now each day this is what he collects. Now what is his pay for 22 days? Now since every day, each day, that is for one day, he collects 200 naira 0 kobo, for 22 days he will collect 200 naira multiplied by 22, which will give you 4,400 naira 0 kobo. So for 22 days the bricklayer will collect 4,400 naira 0 kobo. Now, which is the same thing as our option C here. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.